So you recorded a video, you got it on a customized landing page called a preset, and now you just want to send this video out. So if we come over here to the email, we're going to open up a compose, and I have a little template saved here in Gmail just because best practices here. So you always want to have the word video in the subject line when you're sending it. Very rare to see it. So you definitely want the word video. First thing they read, then have your subject line. And then have some text in here in terms of why they should watch the video. And then you're just going to add the video in. Now, to add the video in, you can do this in a couple ways. One, you can go right down here to the shortcut. This is the Dubb Chrome extension shortcut, which we're going to look at in a minute. But the Dubb Chrome extension is a screen recorder that sits right up here. It's browser based. And we're going to show how we use the Chrome in a bit. But when you have it logged in, this little button is going to show up down here in Gmail, and it's going to show up in Outlook 365 off to the right in add-ins. And what you can do is you can click this button. It's going to open up the Chrome extension. And you can start scrolling through your videos like you see me doing down over here to the right. Or you can search for a video by name. Here's a video right here. We're going to click Advanced Options. We're going to put the email in of the person we're sending it to so we can get that advanced tracking. I even can put a little bit of text at the top of the video if I'd like, personalization text. Click Insert Video, and it drops it in just like that. And that's what that would look like.